everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a simple process on how to delete your Evony account. So here's how you can do it. To delete your Evony account, first make sure to launch open the game on your device. Wait until it loads and make sure that you are inside the main home page. Once you start playing the game, tap the three dots located at the bottom right hand corner. In the expanded pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Under Settings, simply tap on the Account button. You'll be able to see a button that says Delete Account. Simply tap on it and then go through the information first. Deleting your account will also delete your current game progress. To continue account deletion, type in Delete in the text box. After you are done, tap on Confirm and you have successfully deleted your account. If you wish, you can cancel the deletion process anytime you want. Simply launch open the game and tap on Cancel Deletion in order to cancel your account deletion process. If you want to continue deleting it, tap on Quit Game, and now you can get rid of the Evony application by getting rid of it from your system. That is how you can easily delete Evony account with a few simple steps using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.